strong.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Super excited, just got the Insta360 One X2 in South Africa. I think it's one of the first ones, so very exciting. Let's quickly do a unboxing. Box itself very premium, very good, some information there, cool photos at the back, very cool box. Let's open it up. Alright, let's see what we get in the box. Let's just open it slowly. Perfect. So first off, camera right in center. Looks amazing. Feel very well. Love the rubbery feel. Obviously your two lenses. It's got a screen now. Button. Looks really good. Let's see what else we got here. Let's see nothing this side. Let's just pop the camera in here. See nothing there. Let's move that away. Let's open up this. There we go. Okay, so charging cable, USB-C. Very awesome. Little pouch. Get this open. Little neoprene style pouch. Opens up at the top. Insta360 branded. Very cool. And then just your quick start manuals. Quick start guide. Let's quickly just check through there. What is this? Warranty, things to know, warranty card. Let's open this and see what this is. Oh, perfect. Just like a little lens cloth. Very cool. Very needed when you have two lenses on either side of the camera. And then some cool Insta360 stickers. Cool guys, more stuff to come. Like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.